good day. Today it's my wife's birthday, and it really is her birthday. I'm not making this up. And I decided I'd surprise her by baking a cake. Now, as you know, cakes can be a little bit difficult, and especially when we've got limited resources. So what I've done is slightly cheat just a little bit, and I've got these, which are the cake in the cups. There's 4 little sachets per packet, and we can make a chocolate one here, double choc, or we can make the other one, which is the salted caramel. And I think I'll go the chocolate because I know she likes that. So that's the one we're going to be doing today. I believe they're quite a handy little handy thing, in as much as that. Oh, there goes a pack there. Just get one out, and there we go. Just come in a little sachet like that. And I'll put that down, and the box of course has got instructions on the back on what you've got to do. Now this cake is going to take, believe it or not, 60 seconds in a microwave to cook. So that'll be interesting, I think. See what it tastes like. So first thing we have to do is open a sachet, and of course, as per usual, I've got to find a pair of scissors. So here we go. Some scissors and a packet. Just slice the top of the packet off, and in it goes. Very, very technical stuff for all us blokes out there, because we know how hard it is to do baking. Just grab a bit of milk, and we just simply need 2 tablespoons, which I might get around here so you can see I'm actually doing it properly. Bit of there, one of them, yeah, close enough. Maybe a touch more. Yep, that'll do. And that is the secret ingredient that we need. Just simply milk. And next thing, grab a teaspoon or whatever you've got and just simply stir. And you're supposed to stir it until it's nice and smooth and all the lumps have gone out of it, which I'm happily doing here. And hopefully won't take too long. The last thing I want to do is obviously give her a lumpy cake, and I'll finish up being a bit lumpy myself if I do that. It's if you can see there, it's not looking too bad. I'll give it a bit more just to make certain it's nice and smooth. Yes, it looks like I've got rid of all the lumps. There are bits of chocolate, it looks like, in there. It's either chocolate or it's lumps, one or the other. But soon find out, won't I? Okay. Next stage. Okay, the next stage is obviously open the microwave, pop this thing in, close the microwave door, set it for 60 seconds. My goodness, this is so hard to do baking these days. I'm absolutely busting my little tail off in the kitchen, and hopefully it'll be worth it. And we just wait for the full 60 seconds. It's almost as exciting as watching grass grow or paint dry, but at least this gives you something to look at. It does go round and round. Isn't that exciting? My goodness, 30 seconds to go. I can see it bubbling away there up to the top. Now, have I done it correctly, which is the big question, or is it going to overflow? And I think we might be safe. I think I've got the measurements about right. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time to have a look. And there we go. One cake cooked. And what better way than to serve a cake which is still nice and warm with a bit of ice cream, of course. I mean, we are men, of course, and you know, we tend to do things a little different. And with a bit of luck, the wife won't like it and I get to eat it myself, but don't tell her that. Well, I was half right. I get to eat half myself, so that's not bad. Bit hard to see the texture in there, but oops, my fingers around there. But it's actually not bad. The cake is pretty decent. I might actually eat the ice cream off the top before it drops everywhere and have another look in the middle. And I thought I'd try and show you what the consistency of the cake is. And as you can see, it's actually pretty decent. It tastes quite nice. So in 60 seconds you got yourself a cake in a cup, and keep everybody happy. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye.